Dear student, today will be study the introduction of correlation. So then concept of correlation. So correlation developed by the Francis Galton in 1885. Correlation is a statistical methods or a statistical technique that measures quantitative relationship between different variables like between price and demand and supply, and income and expenditure. It is clear that correlation is a joint relationship between two variables. Correlation is a joint relationship between two variables. There is a question, which types of relationship? So it measures three characters of the relationship between two variables. Number one, direction of relationship. Direction of relationship can be positive and negative. Second, it measures form of relationship. The form of relationship can be linear or non-linear. Number third, degree of relationship. The degree of relationship, the degree from 1 plus 1 to minus 1. Next, types of correlation. Here is many bases of correlation. First of all, we take on the basis of direction of relationship. First basis, the direction of relationship. There are three types of correlation. Number one, positive correlation. Number one, positive correlation. When two variables move in same direction, there is positive correlation. The direction can be up and down. For example, cold drink cells are positively correlated with the temperature. For example, we take an example. Cold drink cell temperature. Temperature increase 10, 15, 20, then cells, so 300, 400. This direction can be अप एंड डाउन. ये ऊपर भी जा सकता है, ये ऊपर भी बढ़ सकता है और नीचे भी बढ़ सकता है. सेकंड टाइप्स ऑफ कोरिलेशन, द नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन. नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन, व्हेन टू वेरिएबल्स मूव इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, देयर इज नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कॉफी सेल्स आर नेगेटिवली कोरिलेटेड विद द टेम्परेचर. जैसे आप जानते हैं, जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर कम होगा, कॉफ़ी की मांग उसी तरह से बढ़ती जाएगी। तो ये निगेटिवली चेंज हो रहा है इसमें। थर्ड कोरिलेशन, नो कोरिलेशन, जीरो कोरिलेशन। A zero correlation exists when here is no relationship between two variables. For an example, there is no relationship between amount of tea drunk and level of intelligence. जैसा कि आप देखते हैं, आप 1 कप चाय पीते हैं या 2 कप चाय पीते हैं या 3 कप चाय पीते हैं, उससे आपकी बुद्धि पर कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है। तो यहाँ जो है अमाउंट ऑफ टी ड्रंक्स एंड लेवल ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस में किसी तरह का कोई सहसंबंध नहीं है। सो दैट देयर इज जीरो कोरिलेशन। Secondly, on the basis of form of relationship, on the form of relationship there is two types of correlation. Number one, linear correlation, when two variables change in constant proportion there is linear correlation. For example, x change in the form of 2, 4, 6 and 8, and y change in the form of 5, 10, 15 and 20. There is linear correlation. Second, non-linear correlation, when the two variables do not change in any constant proportion, there is non-linear correlation. For an example, x change in the form of 2, 50, 51 and 100, and y change in the form of 5, 6, 15 and 19. It is clear that here is x and y, here is no any constant proportion x and y, that is non-linear correlation. We take another example, x increase 10, 11, 56, y increase 2, 40, 41. It is clear that x and y have no constant proportion, so there is non-linear correlation. थर्ड बेसिस है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ रिलेशनशिप there are 5 types of correlation. Number 1, perfect correlation, 2, high correlation, moderate correlation, low correlation and zero correlation. When the coefficient of correlation receive 1 plus and minus 1, there is perfect correlation.